I'm particularly happy to welcome everybody here today. It's like a baby born. It's been like embryo, and today we're seeing it live. It's just starting, and I believe that the effect will make the generation of our youth glad and great eventually. So good day, everyone. I'm pretty excited to be here with you today and to be an anchor of this great event. The focus of this event is to provide information empowerment to Black Canadian youth. I would like to welcome all our participants to this exclusive and all-important younger generation friendly program. We are very excited to have you at this maiden edition. That's the first time we're having the in-person. As a matter of fact, it started 3 years back and it's been on virtual, display. But for today, we have in-person version of it. And I'm so glad to announce that and to also experience. We have had a few virtual sessions during the pandemic. But like I said, we are glad to be able to finally have an in-person session, which is being supplemented with a virtual component for those who are unable to attend in person. It may interest you to know that we are holding this program in 3 different locations across Canada this summer. The purpose of this program is to equip Black Canadian youth who are prone to specific challenges with the knowledge needed to understand the challenges they may be encountering and show them how to tackle them without having to lay their lives on the line. First, I'd like to clarify the expression Black Canadian youth to ensure that it is not mistaken for segregation or racism. The term is simply a descriptor for a specific community of young people with distinctive features and peculiarities. This expression is simply used in the way that other descriptors like seniors or persons with disability are used. Our organization SEES is committed to preparing Black immigrant youth for a fruitful future. In today's program, participants will learn effective strategies for managing various aspects of their lives, including how to prepare for the workplace, manage the use of technology, and improve relationships with family and friends. The forum would have been impossible without the support of our partners, including the government of Canada's Supporting Black Canadian Community Initiative, that's SBCCI, and the Tropicana Community Services. We're using this medium to say thank you so much to SBCCI and Tropicana Services. By supporting us, you are helping us to keep our community healthy and promoting healthy coexistence among the various cultures in Canada. You are helping us to educate our youth that there is no reason to allow prejudices and that the color of our skin is not what should determine how we relate with one another. You are helping us to show that peaceful coexistence is an important factor in Canada's progress and resourcefulness. You're encouraging our communities to be accommodating and giving us room to show immigrant youth that Canada is a home that they can identify with and defend. That Canada is a home where they can grow to appreciate differences and not to see differentiation as segregation. Canada is a home that gives youth a platform to develop their potential and express their uniqueness. Now, I'd like to address the youth attending this program. I would like to encourage you to contribute your quota to this country by being good citizens. Being a good citizen in this context means possessing a mindset that makes you thrive and flourish and act in ways that are not threatening to people around you. You must educate yourself to be productive to your society. The unique message that Canada is passing across to all citizens by embracing diversity is that we are all a people first before a race. And so we should all live together as a people while also celebrating our differentiation. Little wonder, Canada has been prophesied to be a nation of a maple leaf that shall be of healing to nations. Canada is a nation prepared to build you to value lives, appreciate yourself, and appreciate people for who they are. A forum like this complements these national objectives by encouraging you to celebrate your uniqueness, the uniqueness of others, and share amicably for the benefit of all. In between the seminars, we have scheduled activities, lots of time to ask questions and listen to life experiences, as well as the opportunity to consult with a life coach or counselor now or thereafter. The speakers of today are rare to come by, and that I must emphasize that our youth need to maximize a time like this. All the speakers you're going to have speaking with us today are rare to come by. So make the best of the opportunity by being intentional in your being here. So please make the best of the time. Be present wholeheartedly and be intentional, like I said, about it. It is important to acknowledge that SEES Incorporation is a Christian not-for-profit organization that seeks to serve Black youth by bridging the gap in our nation and letting us know that the ultimate fulfillment in life comes from God. To know more about this statement, ultimate fulfillment in life comes from God. To know more about this statement, I try to emphasize that. Please, you can approach me, feel free to approach me at your choice for a pamphlet that gives better insight into this. And check our website for more details on what we do as an organization. I want to thank all our guest speakers and special guests for being here. Thank you so much. Dr. Lano Reche Kabua, the Lord bless you. Thank you for being here, for making it down here. I welcome you all specially. You have heeded the clarion call, and the Lord will reward you all abundantly. We appreciate your presence. We thank our board members for their support all the way. To our volunteers, thank you for this sacrifice. To the indigenous people of the land, as well as all other dwellers, we promise to always do our best as an organization to support our community to be a better place for our younger generations to live and thrive in. Wishing you all unforgettable and productive day. God bless you. Long live Canada. Long live Covenant Information Empowerment Services. Long live SBCCI and Tropicana Services. Long live all the you that are present here, both in person and on virtual. God bless you. Have a pleasant day.